The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome to a new Cardano video, and Cardano is doing actually fantastically well. So we're gonna do short analysis on what's happening just to keep you updated with Cardano and the price movement. Now Cardano is right now in what we call a consolidation phase up here on the daily time frame. You can see after we bottom down here at 0.75, we managed to do some kind of parabolic move towards the upside above certain moving averages up here. Right now we are consolidating up here. We also still got this 200 moving average here around 1.48 that we have to break, but that's not that important. This what's happening here is a little bit more important. This what we call a consolidation phase up here. This is where price stops a little bit, consolidates up here, waits for some kind of indicators to reset, and then continues towards the upside or having some pullback. Now the pullback down here is probable, but it's not gonna be a big pull. We are not expecting any kind of big moves towards downside. Everything looks bullish and dandy. So we're gonna go to the weekly time frame up here. I'm gonna show you that we are right now above the 20 moving average. This red line up here, that's the 20 moving average. We are above that. That means we are bullish. Also on the all indicators right now, we are still very much so bullish. RSI is at 46. We get a bullish close on the weekly time frame for the second week in a row. Down here you can see these two small green histograms. That's a bullish close. Everything looks fine and dandy. We also getting back above this level up here at 114. You can see for the 2 weeks we've been above that. So technically we are very bullish. On the daily time frame, what I'm going to show you right now over here on the daily time frame is that first resistance was up here at 96 that we broke very easily towards the upside. You can see as soon as we broke, we pumped big time towards the upside. Then we created this this resistance up here, and that comes from these levels up here at 120, and you can see that resistance over here got broken yesterday actually towards the upside. So you might assume, hey man, this is just gonna continue pumping towards the upside, but there is a little bit trouble in the sky up here right now, and let me show you down there. This is on the RSI. This is what we call a rubber band index, and the price is technically creating these higher highs towards the upside, but the RSI, this indicator around here, is creating lower highs towards the downside. So this is what we call divergence, and oftentimes it can pull back, but this is very normal stuff that happens during consolidation phases. Price goes too much impulsive. After any kind of impulsive move, you will get these zigzag patterns. The RSI might do some divergences that tell us that this pattern, this consolidation, is not yet done. So the only thing that we can conclude from this divergence right now is that the pattern is not done. If it continues towards pumping towards the upside, this might actually correct itself, but it's already around 70 levels up here. So I'm expecting some kind of maybe some small move down here maybe to happen before we continue towards the upside. But this is definitely what we call right now a consolidation pattern. So everything looks good, everything looks dandy. You can see the moving averages up here. We're about all the moving averages on the daily time frame. We are just consolidating here a little bit, waiting for the moving averages. 50 moving average all the way down on the downside. I don't see anything technically wrong up here. This 1.20 level is the most important level to look for the break right now. If you go to the weekly time frame, there are several other important levels. Most important levels around 159. When we're gonna get up there and cross that towards the upside and become bullish, I don't know, but right now it does look very nice. So let me just go up here and see up here. Yeah, there are a couple of more resistance level up here that might cause us a little problem, but right now for today, I think during this consolidation move, a small move to the downside could be likely. Can it go towards the upside as well? It can. Which way is it gonna go, we are not quite sure, but it is consolidation move, it is bullish, and even if it goes down a little bit, probability is still big time towards the upside. Every probability on every coin right now is probability towards the upside. I hope you enjoyed this small, fast TA update on what's happening in Cardano. Hit the like button on the way out if you like that, and subscribe to the channel for more, maybe tomorrow's Cardano video as well. Thanks guys, see ya around, bye bye.